Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to embed video on your Canva website. So the very first thing that we should do here is we just have to open our Canva account and then open your Canva website. Okay, so once you're here, all you have to do is to get the embed code of that specific video. Okay, so I'm just going to use our YouTube channel right here and I am going to use this video. So just have to click on the three dots and click on the share option. And after that, you have this embed option. So just simply click on it and then you just have to copy this code. That's right. After that, you just have to go back to your Canva account, go to the app section, and then using the search bar, you just have to search for embed. That's right. And then you have this option right here. So just simply click on it. So right here, you just have to click on the YouTube option. That's right. It will depends on the source that you're going to use. I'm just going to use YouTube and then go here. Okay, so you have to edit this section. So you have to click on edit link. You have to delete that section and then paste here your link. So after that, let's just go back here and I'm just going to click on it, click on share. After that, you have the choice to use the embed or the link. So I'm just going to use the link for this one and then click on this option. That's right. And then paste here your link. After that, just click on done. Okay, and then you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And as you can see, you have successfully added here now your video link. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.